Hey guys, Ryan at MetalWorks here. Got a chassis package just wrapped up, ready to go to the client. Let's walk around this thing and take a look. This one does have a GM Performance 495 LS3 running a Borla stack injection. We did do a couple things for the customer. He wanted a little more of a traditional look, so this one has the Wegner coil cover valve covers paired with their Wegner drive kit. Really gives it a clean feel, a little timeless elegance to this one. Has the ultimate stainless headers on this in the mill finish. Pairs really nicely with the aftermarket chassis, be it a Art Morrison or a Roadster shop. This one just happens to be a Art Morrison C1 Corvette. Does have the independent rear suspension in this one. Willwood brakes, custom color on the calipers to match the engine. Theme for the customer's car is a little black and yellow, so we tried to tie that into the chassis for him. Does run the electronic parking brake on this one, has the e-stop for that, so seamless functionality for the parking brake, just flip of a switch, set that and you're good to go. This package is coated and assembled, so a lot of the packages that we do can be coated, assembled, ready for you to start setting your body on. And this is a good example of that. Shows up on the Goonie wheels, ready for you to take it to the next level and start your build.